Hello and welcome to the tutorial for Caravan of Kings. There are two elements in Caravan of Kings that you might not have seen before and that we're going to talk about today. The first is meter change. Caravan of Kings starts out in 4/4 time, which means there's the equivalent of 4 quarter notes per measure. Then at measure 19, it switches to 3/4 time, which means it has the equivalent of 3 quarter notes per measure. And then at measure 35, it goes back to 4/4 time. So from measure 1 through 18, we count our beats in fours. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Measure 19 goes into 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here's 35. 1, 2, 3, 4. The hardest part of those are the transitions. So we are going to practice measure 18 and 19. So one measure of 4/4 time and then one measure of 3/4 time. So in your head, you're going to be going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. We are going to practice those two measures 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, same spot. 1, 2, measure 18, go. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, now we're going to do the other transition, which is 3/4 back to 4/4 time. We're going to start at measure 34 and we're going to play measure 34 and measure 35. So we get one measure of 3/4 and then one measure of 4/4. Here is measure 34. It starts on an up bow. So I'm going to start at the tip. 1, 2, 3. Again, second time, start your bow at the tip. 1, 2, 3. Last time. 1, 2, 3. After you've practiced the transitions, I recommend adding in measures before what you've practiced and after you've practiced little by little. The other element to this piece is low 2s and low 1s together. And for a violin, that means F natural and E flat next to each other. So your fingers are going to be spaced out in whole steps. You're going to have a low 1, a low 2, 3, and 4. The common mistake is when you see a low 2, you want to make it really close to that 1. But if you put your low 2 next to a low 1, it's going to sound like a regular one. So we're going to look at measure 14. F, E flat, D. One more time, look at measure 14. It goes like this. Ready, and F, E flat, D. And I want you to set up your fingers so you have low 1 and low 2 set up. We're going to practice just measure 14. 1, 2, ready, go. One more time. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, see if you can find all the F's and E flats and practice those before you do the play along. All right, see you at the play along. Bye.